going on, Algebra Bros? Mr. C here, and in this video I'm going to help us finish out examples parts C and D. And as you can see, the answers to parts A and B have been provided, and we're going to use the line of best fit from example part B to help us with these latter two parts. So if you look in example part C, it says using the line of best fit, predict the tip of a bill for $125. So $125 is not in the table, but based on our graphing calculator, we can use the line of best fit, which is written in function format, by the way, in part B, to help us predict this. All right. So it's important to note that the 125 is a particular value of B, so $125 dinner bill. And what we're going to do to calculate the tip is essentially just plug this in to the equation, substituting 125 in for B. So T of 125 is essentially what we're calculating. So wherever we see B on the right-hand side, we're going to go ahead and replace it by 125. And then what you want to do is go ahead and calculate or simplify the right-hand side down to a single number. And this should give you roughly 18.23, meaning that according to the line of best fit, somebody who has a dinner bill of $125 would likely be tipping $18.23. So that value is dictated by our line of best fit. All right, but 18.23 is our answer to part C, and we're going to move on to part D, where it says interpret the slope of the line of best fit. Do keep in mind that 0.1486 is our slope. That was the value of A that the calculator gave us, but based on where A is at in the graphing calculator's equation, that's what the value of M is. And so we're going to say A equals M, which is equal to 0.1486. What I'm going to do is write this on top of the number 1, and imagine this as rise over run, or as we saw in the section for lines, like a delta y over delta x. Well, in this case, delta y is given as the value 0.1486, and that's actually delta t, because the y values here represent all the different tip amounts. And then the 1 represents delta x, or in this case delta b, because the x values are being represented by the different bill amounts. So what this all means is that as the bill increases by $1, the tip is also going to increase by roughly $0.1486, or roughly 15 cents. So I'm going to write it out this way. For each increase, I'll say of $1 in the bill, the tip increases by about $0.15 or 15 cents. All right, so according to our line of best fit, people are tipping 15 cents to the dollar. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. As always, feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon.